Alright, Squishy Squid here again. I wanted to give an update on our raised bed garden and how it is doing. We have a lot of baby plants in here. We do still have a few kale plants. These big ones here are kale. Can you point to one of the kales?
Here's the kale.
Yep. These are kales. They don't look super great though.
Yeah.
Reason being, it has been getting very hot in the greenhouse. Which is why we're going to turn this into a shade house. It gets entirely too hot. It's only January, but it is still too hot in here for kale. Kale likes it to be cold. But we planted them in here because I had the plants anyway and might as well. We also have garlic. Can you point to the garlics?
Yep. We have
These are garlics. They are growing very well. There's another one. There's another one. These were just garlic bulbs we planted from the grocery store. And they just came up straight away. They look great. I'm very happy with those. We also planted a scattering of, if you see all these little things.
Yep, all these.
Those are a lettuce mix, a salad mix of lettuce.
Yes.
I just sprinkled them there because I happen to have the seeds, and why not? We'll plant something there.
Yep.
Besides that, we have 2 rows of mustard.
Yes.
We purchased
big old bushy mustard.
We purchased the mustard seed from Papa Pepper from his online store. I can leave a link in the description if you're interested. He has a lot of great stuff for sale over there. They're in need of thinning, but they are growing wonderfully. They look great. Next to them, we've got 2 rows of mustard. No. Lettuce.
Yes, lettuce.
I have mustard on the brain. Lettuce. These are lettuce. They were planted about a week after the mustard greens.
Yeah.
They're coming up very well too. They're happy there. And now over in this area, we have onions and onions and onions galore.
Yes, all of these sprouts here are onions except for smaller ones.
Yes, we bought these.
This is an onion. Lots.
From the grocery store. It's just a mixed pack of different colored onions.
Yep.
Growing extremely well. They look great. Now, my helper here planted sweet peas also.
Yes.
I'm going to point out some of those.
They're very funny looking, like this one and this one. And I think this one as well.
Very good.
And there's a big one over here.
Yes.
Lots of peas.
Lots of peas. We're looking forward to having peas when they get a little bit bigger.
Yep.
And besides that, we have radishes planted kind of willy-nilly in some different areas.
Lots of different little radishes.
Lots of different little radishes just for fun in different places.
Yep.
Everything is coming up. Everything is looking great. The only issue we've had so far is fire ants. But I found a new product, an organic product that I'm using for these because I have battled fire ants for years. So far, so good. It seems to be working. I'll do a video soon about that if it continues working as well as I'm hoping. But we had the fire ants invading our bed already, and we seem to have gotten rid of them, which is good because fire ants will destroy your plants, and they will dig around your plant's roots, causing them to die.
That's probably the problem with the kale.
That was part of the problem with the kale too.
Yeah.
The fire ants were around the base of the kale.
Yes, they had like all their nests and ant hills around the kale.
It's terrible, and the worst part about them is if you try to garden and you don't realize they're there, what happens?
All your plants will die.
And they will bite you and sting you and bite you and sting you.
It hurts a lot.
It does hurt a lot. We know from experience.
Yes, very much.
The last plant I want to show you in our raised bed are the
pine berries and strawberries.
That's right, pine berries and strawberries. They look the same. I'm honestly not sure which is which anymore.
I think it goes strawberry, pine berry, and etc., etc.
That's right, because the package we bought included both pine berries and strawberries because apparently pine berries need a pollinator of a regular red strawberry.
Yeah.
Which it turns out a pine berry is just a different kind of strawberry. It's a hybrid. But they're really cool. They're those white ones with the red seeds. So we're excited to grow those. And hopefully we will get some later on. They're certainly doing well. They're all growing well in these holes. But we are thrilled with those.
Yes.
The bed is going good. We've got some empty space over there. We filled up the dirt there. These bricks still need some dirt in those holes. So we have a little planting space left, but we need to build some more raised beds soon. We need to get some more blocks, make some more raised beds, because so far this project is going great and we are really looking forward to eating produce from our very own bed, right?
Yes.
All right.
Much.
Did you have anything else you want to tell them?
Don't think so.
Okay, well that's it for our raised bed update. Thank you for joining us. Like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.